Hi, this is Moniesh from SSN College of Engineering. I am here to show a demo of our project on behalf of my team. My team members includes Lokesh, Jayasooryan, and Karun. So the topic and the domain that we picked is cloud app development, and uh, and the topic provided to us is the news tracker application. So we have built our product NewsHub, which actually provides the relevant news of a person according to his preferences. So in our system, we get the user's preference and show the news that he likes according to his preference. So the one of the main issues with the current news system is there are a lot of news that are available, and the users cannot do not have time to go and read all the newses. So in some newses they may not be interested on, but they cannot actually find the news that they want to read. So our system actually gets an input from them and get their preference, and we render the news that they actually find it useful for them according to their preference. So we have used the rapid news API. By providing the preferences, we get the relevant news from the API, and we display it. So the tech stack we have used this for the front end we have used React, and for the backend we have used Flask, and for the database we have used IBM DB2, and for hosting this we have used the Docker image, and with the Docker image we have connected it to K8 Kubernetes, and it's been hosted. So this is the UI of the application. This is the web page. So the base page actually covers the login page as well. So now I'm going to create a new account. So I'm going to the sign up page. So this is the sign up page, and this is the sign up form. It gets all the details about the user. So I'm going to enter my name here, and once again, yeah, I'll change my email. So now I also get the user's phone number, and now comes the password part. So I have to enter the password here, and yeah, confirm password, and here I'm going to get the database of the date of birth of that particular user. And here I'm going to get all the relevant preference of all the news preferences of the particular user. So I am a person who wants to know more about the sports related news. So I'm going to select the sports news. So now after creating this, I'm going to create my account. Once I click on this create account, a request will be sent to my backend. We have actually used Flask APIs for authentication and all the purpose. So API call will be going to the backend, and from the backend, this particular user data and this preference will be stored to the IBM DB2. So once I click the create account, account is actually being created, and it actually redirects to the login page. So the account will be created, so I can just log in with that account. So if I write the correct email ID and the correct password and click the login button, once again, yeah, I think so. I have entered. If I enter an wrong credentials, it won't log in. So now I will check and write the correct credentials. Once I give the correct credentials, my it logs into my page, and this is the news feed page where all the news related things is appears here. So I have given the sports as my preference. So all the sports news are available to me. So I can see a news about FIFA World Cup has been coming here. And below this, there are some news related to cricket. And again, Barcelona is related to the football. And then chess related news below it. And yeah, Formula One, car race related events, and so on. So once I gave sports as my related and sports as my preferred topic, all the news about the sports are available to me here. So what's special in this application is we are also introducing features such as liking and bookmarking and sharing the news articles. So yeah, I can like this particular news article, bookmark it, and as well as share it. Once I click the share button, it actually takes me to the WhatsApp page. So WhatsApp is not currently installed in my system. So if WhatsApp is installed, it actually opens a WhatsApp application so that you can share it there. So now I'll come back to the page. Yeah. So yeah, once you have liked and bookmarked it, you want to actually see the history of your activities. So you have to see all the articles that you have liked and bookmarked. You can actually go to the profile page. So here you can see that I have liked one news article and I bookmarked one. Say I'm going to like another book article, another news article here. So now above here, there is a profile icon here. Once I click on this profile icon, it takes me to the profile page. So this is my profile page, and I can see that I have actually liked 2 articles and bookmarked one. Can see that I have actually used the React carousels to actually render the articles that I have liked. So this is one of the articles, and another article I can see it here. These are two articles that I have liked, and below it the article that I have bookmarked. So I have bookmarked only one article, so one article is displayed here. So this is the basic profile page of my of a user. So it actually displays his name, date of birth, the email ID of that person, and also the topic that person is interested in. So I have given sports, so it's sports here. So say now I have changed my mind and I want to get news about science. So I don't want sports related news anymore. So I'm going to remove sports and I am going to give science here. Now let's see how it changes the user experience. So now, yeah, I will go back. So I'm going back to the news feed page. Actually, this takes a bit of time as as the data from the backend is taking time from the Rapid API. So now we can see that as soon as I changed from sports to science, I'm getting more about the science related data, science related news. So I'm getting some news from about the NASA, and below it I can actually see some physics related news, and then there is Earth captured by Artemis after launch. So again, there's some news related NASA, and something about the speed of light. So each and every news is about science here. So it's clearly showing that how this Rapid News API is clearly providing us the news, clustering it with the user's preference and providing it to us. So now one more thing is, once you click on the title of this particular news, it actually takes you to the actual video or the news that's available for you, the actual site. So see below this, there's another news, right? So I can click on this. It takes me to this particular article. If it's an article link, it shows an article, or if it's a video, it shows the video, and so on. So this is the basic aim of our project. We want to get the users preference and show news according to it. Further on, we are planning to add more about pre-processing the data and so on. So that's all about our app for now, and we will try to further add on some more better user experiences and so on. So that's all about our app. So we have used, as I said, for the tech stack, we have used React for the front end. Back end is done by Flask. And for database, we have used IBM's DB2 cloud. And with the help of, we have used a Docker image, converted it into a Docker image, and we have deployed it to Kubernetes. This is our deployed link. So yeah, thank you. That's all about our project.